Hello, I'm Syllabus. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life, and today we are going to talk about indices. Let's take a look at today's sum. Prove that x to the power of a by x to the power of b whole to the power of a plus b into x to the power of b by x to the power of c whole to the power of b plus c into x to the power of c by x to the power of a whole to the power of c plus a is equal to 1. We have to prove this, so let's do it. Here basically we have to prove LHS equal to RHS. LHS is this entire expression and RHS is 1. So let's do it. LHS is equal to, now we have to copy this down, x to the power of a by x to the power of b whole to the power of a plus b into x to the power of b by x to the power of c whole to the power of b plus c into x to the power of c by x to the power of a whole to the power of c plus a. Firstly, we will use the identity that if it's like p to the power of m by p to the power of n, it is equal to p to the power of m minus n. Keeping that in mind, we get x to the power of a minus b whole to the power of a plus b into x to the power of b minus c whole to the power of b plus c into x to the power of c minus a whole to the power of c plus a. We got this. Again, we will use the identity that if it's like p to the power of m whole to the power of n, it's equal to p to the power of mn. Then we have x to the power of a minus b the whole into a plus b the whole into x to the power of b minus c the whole into b plus c the whole into x to the power of c minus a whole into c plus a the whole. Here we can use an identity for this multiplication, which is a minus b the whole into a plus b the whole equal to a squared minus b squared. We can see that all of the products which we have to get, and here the multiplications are all in that form. So we can use this identity. Applying that, we get here x to the power of a squared minus b squared into x to the power of b squared minus c squared into x to the power of c squared minus a squared. And now, we know that if it's like p to the power of m into p to the power of n, it's equal to p to the power of m plus n. Keeping that in mind, we have here x to the power of a squared minus b squared plus b squared minus c squared plus c squared minus a squared. And now we can say that a squared and a squared can be canceled. b squared and b squared can be cancelled, and c squared and c squared can be cancelled, which is leaving us with x to the power of 0. And that is nothing but, because we know that if it's a to the power of 0, it's 1. X to the power of 0 is 1. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. And 1 was our RHS. So we have proved that LHS equal to RHS. That means this entire expression that x to the power of a by x to the power of b whole to the power of a plus b into x to the power of b by x to the power of c whole to the power of b plus c into x to the power of c by x to the power of a whole to the power of c plus a is equal to 1. This is proved. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.